It's feared the latest lockdown will mean even more children are in need of support. Also tonight, we meet the Yorkshire nurse who's the first person in the world to be injected in a new COVID antibody trial.
I'm at Doncaster Sheffield Robin Hood Airport, which remains closed during lockdown. But what are your chances of getting away on holiday this Christmas?
Street food on the driveway, how one catering business has adapted after orders were cancelled due to COVID.
Well, what a fabulous sunset this afternoon. Many parts of Yorkshire saw that, but what does it mean for tomorrow and the rest of the week? Join me for that detailed forecast.
Next tonight, a nurse from Wakefield has become the first person in the world to take part in a clinical trial to test a new antibody cocktail designed to protect people from COVID-19. The drug, which has been developed by AstraZeneca, is going through a phase 3 clinical trial to see whether it might work for people who cannot be vaccinated. Our health correspondent Jamie Coulson reports.
On Saturday, Karen Simerson became the first person in the world to be injected in a trial to test whether a new combination of antibodies can protect people from COVID-19 for up to a year. The 45-year-old, who works as an intensive care nurse at Pinderfields Hospital, says she wanted to play her part.
I think from a professional point of view, seeing the devastation that COVID's had on patients and relatives, but definitely from a personal point of view, trying to get some normality back for myself, to see my friends, my family, get normality back for my children, and just get normality back for my colleagues who are really struggling. Everyone's very, very tired, and we just want some normality back.
In recent weeks, the focus has been on the development of COVID vaccines, but this trial is taking a different approach and is looking at whether a combination of antibodies could provide protection for those who can't be given a vaccine or may not respond well to them. 5,000 people will be recruited into the AstraZeneca trial globally, 1,000 of them here in the UK. 2/3 will be given an injection containing the combination of COVID-19 antibodies, which have been engineered to last longer in the body. The rest will receive a dummy jab called a placebo.
I think the importance of this trial can't be overemphasised.
Dr. John Ashcroft is one of the doctors leading the trial in Wakefield.
This is different to a vaccine. A vaccine actually relies on your own immune system to produce a response to fight the virus. An antibody puts that immunity straight in without your own immune system having to respond. Therefore, it's very good for people who have, for whatever reason, an impaired immune system, may have had cancer care or other conditions that stop their immune system responding.
The trial is still recruiting volunteers in Wakefield. Initial results are expected next summer. Jamie Coulson, BBC Look North.